Hi, welcome back. I look forward to sharing my wisdom with you, and the material here is inspired by the messages I received from God, Allah, Jesus, Buddha, my higher self. We have books and ebooks on leadership, negotiation tactics, and self help concerning overcoming daily stresses. Byron Katie, author of the book Loving What Is, states, I am a lover of what is, not because I'm a spiritual person, but because it hurts when I argue with reality. Do you think she makes a good point? Do you? Or is she halting with a reader's freedom of rights? It depends on whether you have Allah, God, Buddha, universe, or other Holy Spirit's voice and presence. There is no mistake. There are no mistakes when your higher self guides you and gives you courage. Courage requires fighting, no? So courage does require some form of fighting, no? Courage and fighting involve of confronting. The aim of Byron Katie is to aid readers in being in peace. The other day I had a volunteering opportunity. This is just an example. I did not have my passcode to enable my entrance. The entrance agent did not wish to help me, so I left. As I was traveling back home by metro, I gained the courage to ask every person in my path to borrow their cell phone so that I can get the passcode from my email. So you see, I was leaving and then I went back. I gained courage, and the universe other gave me my wishes. On my return, as I was asking around for a cell phone with internet to borrow, the responsible for volunteers appeared by magic. So Byron Katie's advice is okay, but uncertain if I will follow her words um, on accepting what is word by word. Byron Katie lacked the ability to let go of hurt. She probably has a sharp memory, a memory that causes hurts to dwell. They could dwell in her mind back and forth. In my opinion, if you don't react to a thought, negative and at times even positive, it cannot hurt you. The advice she gives is not applicable to all brain types. Those who know 100 plus negative emotions, avid readers, so to speak, can benefit from her type of advice. I don't read novels because I'm trying to allow my brain the freedom to forget the hurts. Yes, it is freedom and not lack. Forgetting hurtful emotions and other literature hurts that we learned in school. It's not a bad idea. It gives you so much more peace. Um, okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed my time with you today. I have another video to film. That will be the next one on the list of numerous videos that I've made thus far. So thank you for joining me. I wish you the best. Have a nice day.